provision.
Meghalaya State TMC President and candidate from Nong Thamai constituency Charles Pingrop today took out a huge rally to show his strength in his constituency. The rally was joined by almost 200 bikers and more than 500 people from in and around Lapalang area. Speaking to media persons, Charles Pingrop spoke about his agendas, priorities and also have said that the party will try to fulfill all the agendas listed in their manifesto and will ensure a transparent and a corruption-free government in the state once voted to power, and asked people to vote for the party if they want a change in the state of Meghalaya.
You've seen our manifesto which we have released, including our 10 pledges. We will stick by that and make sure that once we come into power, we will ensure a transparent and corruption-free governance for the interests of the people. Send a message to everybody to come and join us. Work with us, give us your support, and we shall make a difference.
East Khasi Hills District